Listen and repeat. How many floors does the house have? How many floors does the house have?
It has 3 floors. It has 3 floors.
How many rooms does your apartment have? How many rooms does your apartment have?
My apartment has 2 rooms. My apartment has 2 rooms.
How big is your apartment? How big is your apartment?
It's 93 square meters. It's 93 square meters.
Is there a balcony? Is there a balcony?
Yes, there is a balcony. Yes, there is a balcony. No, there isn't a balcony. No, there isn't a balcony.
Is there a terrace? Is there a terrace?
Yes, there is a terrace. Yes, there is a terrace. No, there isn't a terrace. No, there isn't a terrace.
Is there a cellar? Is there a cellar?
Yes, there is a cellar. Yes, there is a cellar. No, there isn't a cellar. No, there isn't a cellar.
Is there a garage? Is there a garage?
Yes, there is a garage. Yes, there is a garage. No, there isn't a garage. No, there isn't a garage.
The TV is in the living room. The TV is in the living room.
The bed is in the bedroom. The bed is in the bedroom.
The plant is on the balcony. The plant is on the balcony.
The stove is in the kitchen. The stove is in the kitchen.
The shower is in bathroom. The shower is in bathroom.
How is the living room? How is the living room?
It is big. It is big. It is small. It is small.
It is bright. It is bright. It is dark. It is dark.
It is new. It is new. It is old. It is old.
I like the closet. I like the closet. It is big. It is big.
I want to buy it. I want to buy it. I like the bed. I like the bed.
It is comfortable. It is comfortable.
I like the lamp. I like the lamp.
It is modern. It is modern.
I like the curtains. I like the curtains.
They are beautiful. They are beautiful.